In a sunny living room, a rescued terrier named Myro discovers a rainbow giggle as a tiny music box awakens. Myro follows the melody to a window where raindrops drum, turning a quiet afternoon into a sparkling treasure hunt. Nearby, a bashful rescue cat named Luma peeks from a laundry basket fortress, inviting Myro to share the stage. Together they perform a tiny duet, Paws tapping in rhythm, while the camera captures genuine friendship and fearless joy. By sunset, their story travels across screens as proof that shelter animals can light up homes with unexpected harmony.